Present Indefinite Tense. Grammar MCQs. Number 1. He dash to school every day. The correct answer is option B. Goes. Number 2. They dash in the park every morning. The correct answer is option C. Jog. Number 3. She dash not like coffee. The correct answer is option C. Does. Number 4. We always dash dinner at 8 p.m. The correct answer is option B. Have. Number 5. The sun dash in the east. The correct answer is option C. Rises. Number 6. I dash English very well. Option C. Speak is correct answer. Number 7. My brother dash a car. The correct answer is option B. Drives. Number 8. Birds dash in the sky. The correct answer is option A. Fly. Number 9. It dash a lot in December. Rains. Number 10. She always dash tea in the morning. The correct answer is option C. Drinks. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share your score in the comment section. How much did you get out of 10? Thank you.